Good morning, 4th grade. This is Miss Driscoll, and this is Lesson 13 of Module 1. Today, we are starting our subtraction lessons, and the objective is to use place value understanding to decompose to smaller units once using the standard subtraction algorithm and apply the algorithm to solve word problems using tape diagrams. So I went ahead already and set this problem up for us. I wrote the subtraction algorithm vertically. So I did 4,259 take away 2,171. Go ahead and pause the video and get that number written on your board, that problem. Okay, you can also see that right next to that problem, I drew my place value chart. So we are going to plug these numbers into the place value chart. We're also on the top, the blue, I made a tape diagram. So when we're doing subtraction problems, we want to be thinking about we have the whole number, and that's going to go on the top of this tape diagram. So we're going to write 4,259. That is how many we have in total. We know one part. Our one part is 2,171. This is the missing part, X. We don't know what that is, and that is what we're going to try and find, that missing part. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start. Remember, when we do subtraction, the biggest number always has to go on the top. And we do also have to make sure we line up our place values, okay? We have to line those up, or else our problem is not going to work. So I'm going to undo that. All right, we're going to start with our ones place. So we can do 9, take away 1, and we can do that because the 9 is the bigger number. You can take away 1, and we're going to get, I'm going to change my pen. We're going to get 8. All right, now we move to our tens place. 5, take away 7. 5 is smaller than 7, so we cannot take this away. So what we need to do is we need to move to the hundreds place. Okay, I'm going to cross off the 2 in the hundreds place because I need to give one of those numbers to my tens place. So my 2 is going to become a 1. I'm going to put that on the top. I'm going to cross off my 5. That is going to become 15 because I added a 10 to that from that hundreds place. So now we have 15 take away 7, and we can do that. 15 take away 7 is 8. Now we can move to the hundreds place. 1 take away 1 is going to be 0. We have our comma. And then we have 4 take away 2 is 2. Okay, let's go ahead and plug these two numbers into the place value chart. All right, I'm going to start in my ones place. I'm going to do 9 ones. Remember, I'm going to do them in groups of 5. Okay, there's my 9 ones. I'm just doing the top number, 4,259. I'm going to do my 5 tens. Okay, I'm going to do my 200s, and I'm going to do my 4,000s. Okay, I'm going to be taking these away. Taking these numbers away. I'm taking away 2,171. All right, so I'm going to take away one of my ones. Okay, now I want to take away 7 tens, but we don't have 7 tens. So what I have to do is take away one of these hundreds and move 10 over here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I moved 10 over here. So I need to take away, now I need to take this away. I need to take 7 away. So I'm going to cross off my top 5 and cross off 2 more down here. And then I do have 8 left over. I had 8 left over here in the ones too. Okay. I need to take away 1. I need to take away 100. So I'm going to take that away. I have 0 left. And now I have 4 thousands. I need to take away 2 thousands. And I have 2,000 left. So there is our answer, and we can see that they are the same. The very cool thing about subtraction problems is that we can use addition to check our work. So I'm going to change my color to orange, and this is going to be my check. All right, so I'm going to add my 2 parts here. I'm going to add my 2 parts to see if I can get my number on the top. If I get the number on the top, I know that I did all my work the correct way. So I'm going to add 2,088 plus 2,171. Okay, remember I lined up my place value. 8 plus 1 is 9. 8 plus 7 is 15. Remember, when you carry your 1 over, you have to put it there, and don't forget it. 1 plus 1 is 2, comma, 2 plus 2 is 4. All right, did I get the same number as I have up here? 4,259? I did. Check, and my answer is complete. And this is my answer, 2,088. All right, let's try another one. I went ahead and wrote this out for you already in a vertical algorithm, subtraction algorithm. As you can notice, I did put the larger number on top. I have 23,422 take away 11,510. I did also go ahead and do our number, or not our number line, but our tape diagram. I did a tape diagram here. So please pause the video and get these numbers written down on your note paper. Okay, I'm going to plug these numbers into our tape diagram. This is my hole on the top. Okay, I'm going to put my hole, which is both of these parts put together. So the whole is 23,422. All right, my one part is 11,510. I'm going to put X for my missing part. We don't know what that part is yet. That's what we're going to be finding out. All right, let's go ahead and start our standard subtraction algorithm. 2 take away 0. Yes, I can do that because the 2 is bigger, so that is 2. 2 take away 1. Yes, I can do that. Is 1. 4 take away 5. Uh-oh. The 4 is smaller than the 5. I cannot do that. So I need to move over to the 3. And I need to borrow a 10 from that 3. So I'm going to take 1 away from the 3. It's going to become a 2 on the top. And this 4 is going to now become 14 because I gave that 10 to it. So 14 take away 5 is going to be 9. All right, 2 take away 1 is 1. And 2 take away 1 is 1. So I found the other missing part. I'm going to change my pen to orange, and now we can do our check. I'm going to take our 2 parts, this part and that part, and see if I can get the hole on the top. All right, this is our answer. Let's see if this answer is correct. 11,510. Remember, line up the place value. Plus, this is our check, 11,912. Okay, it does not matter with addition which number is on top, the bigger or the smaller. But it does matter with subtraction. So we can go ahead and add these. We have 0 plus 2 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 5 plus 9 is 14. Okay, I have that 10. I have to bring it over, carry it over. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Let's see, did I get the same number? I did, 23,422. Check. So we got the correct answer. All right. Now we're going to be using this same strategy, but we're using it with a word problem. All right, so I'm going to read you the word problem. We're going to solve a subtraction application problem regrouping 1 10,000 into 10,000s. Okay, we're going to be regrouping. The paper mill produced 73,658 boxes of paper. 8,052 boxes have been sold. How many boxes remain? Okay, so this is how many boxes of paper they had in total. This is how many boxes have been sold. We need to find out how many boxes remain. That's going to be our x. All right, so the biggest number, that is our whole. That number is going to be on the top. 73,658 goes on the top. Okay. Take away, remember to line up our place value. Take away 8,052. Okay, and I'm going to draw a tape diagram here. Here's our tape diagram. Okay, this is our whole 73,000. Oops, sorry, made a mistake. I'm going to erase that. 73,658 is the whole. We're finding this missing part, and this number is our 8,052. All right, let's go ahead and get this figured out here. Let's get it solved. 8 take away 2 is 6. 5 take away 5 is 0. 6 take away 0 is 6. Okay, 3 take away 8. Can we do that? No, you could not take the smaller number away from a bigger number. So I need to go over to the 10,000s place and borrow 1. I'm going to cross off the 7, and it's going to become a 6. I have to give one of those thousands to the 3. So I'm going to cross off the 3. That's going to become 13,000s instead of 3,000s. 13 take away 8. Okay, and that is going to be 5. And then I have 6 take away nothing is going to be 6. All right, we came up with our missing part. How can we make sure that we did it correctly? Yes, we do our check. All right, so our check, we're going to add these two numbers together to see if we come up with our whole. All right, so we're going to do our check over here under the tape diagram. 65,606 plus, remember to line up our place value, 8,052. Okay, 6 plus 2 is 8. 0 plus 5 is 5. 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13. 6 plus 1 is 7. 73,658. It matches this. So yes, check. We got the right answer. How many boxes remain? 65,606 boxes remain. Or we could say there are 65,606 boxes left or remaining. All right, great job. on these 3 problems. We have your problem set ready for you to go and your exit ticket. Please ask questions if you have any and do your best job. Good luck. Thank you.